Hey guys, Spencer from My Tennessee Home Solution. You know we're buying houses in Clarksville every week, every month, all year. Now, I just talked to a family and their biggest concern was they had a lot of repairs the property needed and they were concerned that they didn't want to do it themselves and they didn't have the time before they wanted to get their goals, get the ball moving. So when we sat down and we talked, we examined that one, property did need repairs. Two, they needed a quick close and a rapid timeline to make sure the title search came back quick and we got them closed quick. You best believe we delivered. Happy to say that we not only are buying this house, but we're getting the family started on their next adventure. You guys know we always buy as is. Clarksville, Laverne, Smyrna, the whole gambit. If you're in an hour and a half in Nashville, we're here for you. We also know plenty of great folks in Chattanooga, Knoxville that we work with all the time. You guys know we're the #1 company here in Middle Tennessee. We're the only ones with a 5-star rating, and we earn that every day. Not only are we in your corner, but we're gonna make life simple. We'll take care of all the paperwork, all the lifting, all the hard work. We want you guys to put your feet up, start thinking about how you're gonna spend that money. I'm looking forward to getting on this adventure with you and your family. Give us a call anytime, ask for Spencer, we'll get you squared away, and we'll get you on the road to the next adventure.